Supply chain management is a fundamental concept in the world of business. It encompasses the planning, coordination, and management of all activities involved in sourcing, procuring, converting, and all logistics management activities. Essentially, it involves managing every stage in the journey of a product, from its raw material stage to its delivery to the end customer. Effective supply chain management is crucial for achieving business success. It helps companies optimize their operations, reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. By streamlining the flow of goods and information, businesses can respond to market demands promptly and gain a competitive edge. A well-managed supply chain ensures the timely delivery of products and services, reduces waste and inefficiencies, and helps businesses adapt to changing market dynamics. The supply chain is not a linear process, but rather a complex network of interconnected entities that work together. Let's break down the key players in a typical supply chain. Second-tier suppliers are the origin point in many supply chains. They are responsible for supplying the raw materials, components, or sub-assemblies needed to create a product. This could include anything from mining companies extracting ores to lumber mills processing wood. First-tier suppliers take these raw materials and components and process them into more usable forms for the final product manufacturer. For example, a textile mill turning cotton into fabric, or a microelectronics firm producing computer chips. Final product manufacturers are the heart of the supply chain, taking the processed materials and assembling them into the final product. This could be a car manufacturer putting together vehicles, or a clothing company sewing garments. Distributors act as intermediaries between manufacturers and retailers, handling the storage and transportation of finished goods. They ensure that products are available in the right quantities at the right locations to meet consumer demand. Retailers represent the final link in the chain, providing consumers with a point of purchase for the finished goods. They play a crucial role in understanding consumer preferences and providing feedback to the rest of the supply chain. Each of these components plays a vital role in the overall success of the supply chain. Effective communication and collaboration between these entities are essential for ensuring the smooth flow of goods and information. Effective supply chain management is not just about efficiency, it is a key driver of business success. By optimizing the supply chain, companies can reap numerous benefits. Cost reduction. By streamlining processes, reducing waste, and negotiating favorable prices with suppliers, businesses can significantly lower their operating costs. Improved efficiency. Optimizing inventory management, transportation, and logistics leads to faster production times, reduced lead times, and increased overall efficiency. Enhanced customer satisfaction. A well-managed supply chain ensures that products are available when and where customers need them, leading to higher satisfaction rates and increased customer loyalty. Increased agility and responsiveness. By having a clear understanding of their supply chain, businesses can respond to changes in demand, disruptions, or new opportunities more effectively. In today's globalized and competitive market, businesses cannot afford to ignore the importance of effective supply chain management. In today's interconnected global economy, supply chain management is more critical than ever before. Businesses face increasing pressure to optimize their operations, reduce costs, and meet the evolving demands of consumers. Effective supply chain management is no longer a mere competitive advantage, it is a business imperative. Companies that invest in building resilient, agile, and customer-centric supply chains are better positioned to navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve sustainable growth in the long run. As technology continues to evolve and consumer expectations continue to rise, the importance of mastering supply chain management will only continue to grow.